How can you combine these words with these words? For my students, it's often a big mystery. I'm here to make things clear. Welcome to Everything English with John, the #1 place for YouTube English lessons. I'm John, and today we're going to study phrasal verb secrets. To tire out, Mike and his son Billy are at home. They just finished a long day of playing and activities. What's up, kiddo? Did you have fun at the amusement park? Dad, today was the best day ever. I'm glad you had fun, Billy. You kept me on my toes. Can we do it all again tomorrow, Dad? Well, Billy, as much fun as today was, you really tired me out. I'm not as young as I used to be. We'll have to see about tomorrow, okay? Okay, Dad, I can't wait. Quiz time. What does to tire out mean? To exhaust someone? To deflate a tire? To become bored? To go outside? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's A. To exhaust someone. Phrasal verb secrets. Tire out means to make someone very tired, especially through hard work or physical activity. This verb is often used when talking about children or after a strenuous activity. To tire is just the verb form of the common word tired. Out in this context represents a complete loss of energy, similar to the phrasal verb run out of something. Phrasal verb extras. Tire can also be combined with other prepositions, like tired of, to become bored with something, or tired from, to become tired because of something. Some phrasal verbs can be separated. This verb is very commonly separated. Playing with the dog really tires me out. If you have children, prepare for them to tire you out. A general synonym for this verb is to exhaust. Examples: playing with Billy all day has completely tired me out. I was tired out after chasing the kids all afternoon. I can't stand my new job. I always feel tired out at the end of the day. Physical exercise tires me out at first, but then I end up having more energy. Vocabulary extras. Rewatch the video to catch the vocabulary. Kiddo. A fun name for a kid. Amusement park. A fun place with rides and games. Best day ever. The best day of all time. Kept me on my toes. Made me stay alert and ready. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.